Welcome to topic 2C, Interpreting Meaning of Words Using Contextual Clues.
Please read the above paragraph for a minute. What does the word inhabits mean as used in the article?
Learning outcome. At the end of the topic, you will be able to use contextual clues to guess the meaning of the words. Introduction. In week 2 and week 3, we learned how to find the meaning of words using a dictionary, root words, prefixes, and suffixes. A dictionary can actually be an extremely helpful and valuable tool. But at the moment when you do not understand a word and the dictionary is not beside you, the act of going and finding the meaning of a word using a dictionary kills the momentum of reading the text. This technique is liked by many because some of us would go to great lengths not to use a dictionary. This is where contextual clues come in and plays a very important role in helping to find the meaning of words. We now approach contextual clues, the final method of determining the meaning of an unfamiliar word through text. It is recommended that you use contextual clues to find the meaning of words. Contextual clues really means recognizing clues that are available in the passage which give meaning to a word that we do not know the meaning of. When we find a word we do not understand, the first thing we do is to go to a dictionary. But when the dictionary is not available, then what do? This is when you find the meaning of a word using the clues around it. The sentence where the unknown word exists can hold some clues. Sometimes there are clues in the sentence before and after. Then there are times when prefixes and suffixes change the meaning of words. All three methods shown in the diagram can contribute to interpreting meaning of words. Contextual clues are clues that you can learn to recognize in a sentence. Then there are situations where you can pick up clues from the sentence before and after the sentence you're working on. The clues in these sentences enable the reader to figure out the meaning of an unfamiliar word. Now that we have established that clues in a sentence can help us get many meaning of words, it would be wise to categorize the clues. There are 5 common clues that can help us find the meaning of unknown words. Definition clue, contrast clues, example clue, experience clues, clues from another sentence. Definition clue. This is a clue where the author explains or tells readers the meaning of the word. A clue is used when the word is felt to be too difficult by the author. The example shows us a young man called Azizul who is rude to people and his parents. He is also known to use bad language or offensive language. Foul mouth is another way to say Azizul uses offensive language. Contrast clue. This is a situation where you find a word or phrase with opposite meaning of the word you don't know the meaning of. This is a clue to help you figure out the meaning. Words you want to look out for are nevertheless, on the other hand, in contrast, but yet, and however. Contrast clue is another method you could use to find meaning of a word. The passage gives us an example of how Dr. S.M. Ponaya was a boy from a small town, but he made it big in life internationally. Example clue. Example clue is when the meaning of an unfamiliar word or phrase is given in examples, one or more examples. The example is a clue to the meaning. Words you want to look out for are, for example, to illustrate, for instance. Sometimes examples give us a better understanding of the meaning. In the example given, cumin, coriander, turmeric, cardamom, and red chili are mentioned as examples of spices used in South Indian cooking. These spices contribute heavily to how a dish will taste. The meaning of spices is ingredients derived from different parts of a plant that enhances the taste, aroma, and color of food. Experience or general sense of the sentence. Sometimes in the process of finding the meaning of words, you might have to look at the entire sentence where the unknown word appears in. This is because when you read the entire sentence, your experience or prior knowledge that you already have can contribute to the meaning of the word. This is yet another example of a clue where your experience contributes to the meaning of an unknown word. So in the example given, it is obvious that if you go to a restaurant to eat food, you will need soup bowls, soup spoons, plates, forks, spoons, and knives. So it is very obvious because of our experience. Clues from other sentences. There are other times when the meaning of a word can be obtained by reading and understanding sentences above and below the said sentence with the unknown word. Authors can give the meaning of words in sentences around the unfamiliar word. Summary. This topic would have shown you that there are contextual clues that can be used, namely definition clue, contrast clue, example clue, experience clue, and clues from another sentence. Finding the meaning of a word is an exciting process, especially now since you have learned how to find the meaning of the word. Here are the steps again. First, find the meaning of an unknown word using a dictionary. Then determine the meaning further using prefixes, suffixes, root words, because you now know meaning can change based on prefixes or suffixes. And finally, use the contextual clues. This process will give you the meaning of an unknown word. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. You have a good day. Bye.